Tulsa, Pennsylvania, there is Lampman's Welding Company. It is a family-owned business. They design, cut, and coat metal. They make special designs for all of their clients. They also go to booths and shows.
I'm Luke Lampman. I own Lampman Welding, and we do custom metal work as well as general fabrication work.
Hi, I'm Pam Lampman. I am one of the members of the Lampman family who owns Lampman Welding, LLC.
This is Pam Lampman. She designs, edits, and programs the machine that cuts the metal. She is the mastermind behind the business, and her main job is to fix the errors in the designs before they get cut out. What you see is Pam at work. She is reviewing a design to be able to personalize this, making it one of a kind for the customer. After she fixes and modifies the image as how she sees fit, the design will be transferred to the laser cutter. This machine detects flaws and errors within the cutting, stopping the machine to let this flaw be fixed. Right now, the project looks like it's coming along great.
I'm Levi Lampman, and I work with cleaning off the metal so that it can be then painted and powder coated so that it can be ready to be shipped out.
And I'm Dakota Lamb, and I grind and do that stuff too.
When it comes off the table, it looks like this, and then around like the letters and stuff, it's got what's called slag. So that all has to be taken off.
Now Levi will flip the piece, and using a different print, he will remove the slag.
Now, Levi and Dakota will pass the slag-free piece to Luke for our next step, powder coating.
This is static electricity. Is how the powder coat sticks to the product.
First, Luke will spray on the first coat of powder coating as a base color. After 30 minutes at around 400 degrees, he will apply the next layer of powder coat for a finishing color. Another few minutes in the oven and the piece is finished.